Narwhal, known for its robot vacuums, has made waves with the Narwhal S20 Pro, a cordless mop that builds on the success of the S10 Pro. Packed with powerful suction, self-cleaning tech, and AI dirt sense for smart cleaning, it's a game changer. Meanwhile, Dyson enters the wet cleaning scene with the Wash G1, using a unique method of hydration, agitation, and separation to tackle tough messes. It avoids mixing wet and dry waste, making maintenance easier. In this video, we'll compare these two innovative floor cleaners to see which one truly delivers. Let's start with the Narwhal S20 Pro. This thing is a featherweight in the world of vac mop combos, 30% lighter than the competition, which means less strain on your arm for longer sessions. It's equipped with 20,000 pascals of power, perfect for sucking up dust, pet hair, and even those stubborn crumbs. And here's something cool. The water tank connects magnetically to prevent clogs. Super convenient, right? Now over to the Dyson Wash G1. True to Dyson style, this one looks premium and sleek, but it's not just about looks. With rollers designed for both wet and dry messes, it's ideal for families with kids or pets. Plus, it separates solid debris from liquid spills. Goodbye to that gross wet-dry gunk soup. But keep in mind it's better suited for flat floors like polished concrete or tiles, and struggles a bit with uneven surfaces. The Narwhal S20 Pro takes automation to the next level. It uses AI dirt sense technology to detect how dirty your floors are and adjust the suction automatically, like a vacuum with a brain. Plus, it has an auto solution dispenser, meaning you get just the right amount of detergent. No waste, no guesswork. Think of it as the cleaning equivalent of a washing machine. While the Dyson Wash G1 doesn't have AI sensors, it offers manual control over hydration levels. You can switch between modes depending on the type of spill, light moisture for hardwood or max hydration for those sticky disasters. But there's no auto solution magic here. You'll need to fill the water tank yourself, and those tanks, well, they're a bit fiddly to attach and occasionally leak. Cleaning under furniture can be a total pain, right? Well, the Narwhal S20 Pro lays completely flat, making it easy to get under beds, sofas, or cabinets. Plus, with its forward propulsion, it practically glides across the floor. You could maneuver this thing with just one finger. Dyson's Wash G1 isn't far behind. Its head pivots in all directions, so it's a breeze to move around chair legs and tight corners. However, it can struggle on uneven surfaces and might get caught on thresholds between rooms. If you have a mix of flooring textures at home, this could be something to consider. Okay, let's talk about something we all love: less maintenance. The Narwhal S20 Pro has a built-in self-cleaning feature. After every session, it rinses itself and then dries the rollers with 149 degrees Fahrenheit heat, perfect for preventing that funky smell you sometimes get with wet cleaners. Plus, it ensures the rollers are always dry and ready to go. The Dyson Wash G1 also offers a self-clean mode, running water through its rollers to clear out debris. However, it still requires some manual TLC, like taking out the waste tray, which can be a bit tricky to align. And while the Wash G1's components are easy to rinse, they aren't as hands-off as Narwhal's system. Both vacuums are cordless, which we love, but runtime differs. The Narwhal S20 Pro gives you 60 minutes of runtime, plenty of time to deep clean a medium-sized home. Plus, it stays charged on a dock, so it's always ready when you need it. At $499, it offers excellent value for what you're getting. The Dyson Wash G1, on the other hand, runs for around 35 minutes on a single charge. While that's enough for quick cleaning bursts, it may not last through a whole house session unless you get a spare battery. And at $699, this premium device is definitely a bit of an investment. Both the Narwhal S20 Pro and Dyson Wash G1 are powerful wet-dry cleaners, and it really depends on what you're prioritizing. If you're after a smarter, low-maintenance solution, the Narwhal S20 Pro is hard to beat. It's got brains, brawn, and an easy-to-use self-cleaning system, perfect for those who want effortless cleaning. Plus, the longer battery life means you can tackle more in one go. On the flip side, if you want a premium, sleek design and need something that can handle both wet and dry messes with ease, the Dyson Wash G1 is a strong contender. Its ability to separate wet and dry debris makes it great for families with little ones who love making messes, but be prepared to manage a bit more maintenance. Both are impressive, no doubt, but think about your floor type and cleaning style.
Thanks for watching our video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share with your friends if you found our video helpful. Subscribe to our channel to get more videos like this.